Hello students, teachers, and parents. Thanks to our partnership with the Scott County Library, you have access to thousands of ebooks, audiobooks, and digital magazines with your virtual student library card. Whether you enjoy reading on your school iPad or computer, a Kindle, or your phone, using the digital platform Libby provides a wonderful e-reading experience with tons of options. To get started, students with a school iPad can download the Libby app from self-service. If you have a MacBook, go to libbyapp.com. If you are using your own device, simply search for the free Libby app in your App Store. The first time you use Libby, you'll be prompted through a few questions to sign in. When it asks you if you have a library card, click on Yes, you do, since you have your virtual student library card. Next, click on the option to search for your library by location. Simply type in Shakopee in the search bar and you'll see the Scott County Library pop up under MELSA, Twin Cities Metro e-Library. Click or tap on that. Select Scott County Library for the location where you use your library card. When Libby prompts you for your library card number, enter your virtual student library card number, which is simply 720 followed by your student ID number. Your PIN number is the last 4 digits of your student ID number. Teachers and staff, you can either use your personal Scott County Library card to log into Libby, or you can use your Educator Access card. If you don't have one, fill out this form and a Scott County Library staff member will reach out quickly with your login information. Now, let's look at how to use the icons at the bottom of the Libby page or app to find your next ebook, audiobook, or e-magazine. Click on the magnifying glass to search for books about topics you are interested in. Click on the library card to quickly navigate to the kinds of books or magazines you are looking for. The Kids Guide is great for elementary and middle school students, and the Teen Guide works well for both middle and high school students. In these guides, you'll find librarian-curated lists organized by theme or popular favorites. When you've found a book you'd like to check out, click on the title or on this icon and select Borrow. When you borrow the book, you'll be asked if you'd like to set up notifications, and you can customize which notifications you receive. When all copies of a book are checked out, you'll have the option to place a hold, and you can also see how many copies are available, how many people are waiting, and about how long the wait may be. Students have found that the wait time is often much shorter than listed on the app, so it's always a good idea to place a hold if you're interested in the book. To see which books you have checked out, click on the shelf icon. Unless you renew it, your book will automatically be turned back into Libby at the end of the loan period, and you can return books early if you'd like. Within a few days of your due date, you'll have the option to renew your book as long as no other patrons are on hold for it. On your shelf, you can also see which books you've placed on hold, along with the titles you've borrowed in Libby in the past. Many books on Libby are available as both an ebook and an audiobook, and when you look at a title, you can click here to also check out the audiobook. We hope you enjoy a wonderful e-reading experience with Libby. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions.